Embarking on a journey into business education often feels like standing on the brink of an uncharted realm. The application process, with its myriad of requirements, appears daunting, akin to an elaborate expedition. It's key to have the right guide by your side. Today, we introduce that guide, a comprehensive pathway designed to illuminate and simplify the process of applying to business school, making the daunting task seem achievable. Acknowledging the challenge is paramount. The complexity is not just in the tasks ahead, but in making strategic decisions that reflect your career goals, leverage personal strengths, and coalesce with the offerings of each institution. Together, we'll explore the necessary preparation, the detailed application process, crafting resonant essays, and mastering decisive interviews. With the right preparation, what once seemed insurmountable becomes a series of strategic steps towards your dream. The journey towards business school begins with crucial preparation. This initial stage is where you lay the groundwork, understanding what each business school expects. It involves researching schools, collecting important documents like GMAT scores and recommendation letters, ensuring you're prepared to present the best version of yourself. Beyond papers, preparation is about aligning your goals with your dream school's expectations. This meticulous groundwork paves the way for a smoother application process, transforming daunting tasks into achievable milestones. Delving deeper, we encounter the application process itself, a blend of challenge and opportunity. Here, each word you write and every interview preparation matters immensely. Your essays and interviews are platforms to weave the narrative of your journey, presenting your achievements, dreams, and uniqueness compellingly and sincerely. This stage demands introspection and authenticity, striking a balance between showcasing achievements and sharing visions. With expanded strategies and insights, navigating these steps becomes a tailored expedition, emblematic of your dedication and potential. In the depths of the application process, embracing a trio of strategies illuminates the path to success. Uniqueness, efficient time management, and seeking constructive feedback become your allies. Distill your essence onto the page, manage your commitments wisely, and refine your application through feedback. These strategies not only enhance your application, but also prepare you for the business world. As we pivot to the climax of our guide, remember, this journey is as much about demonstrating resilience as it is about preparing for the opportunities business school will bring. We now reach the pinnacle of our shared journey, the moment your hard work is recognized with an acceptance letter. This mark of perseverance symbolizes not just a milestone achieved, but the challenges overcome. Reflecting on the journey reveals a narrative of growth and resilience, culminating in this triumphant resolution. The future promises new challenges and learning, a stepping stone to the vision you've crafted for yourself. With guidance, determination, and strategy, you've shown that any goal is within reach. Congratulations on this momentous accomplishment. Here's to a future bright with your unique contributions.